to understand, first understand what is the steadiness. Nistha, you are saying steadiness in this word. Nistha means ni stha, stha. Nisse rupena sthayati, sthapayati. Nistha. Absolutely one's mind, one pointed, his Istadeva. That is called Nistha. Understand? Completely what? One. Not going anywhere other side. Given first to understand this way, Dronacharya is the Guru, the Acharya of Kaurava and Pandavas. That time, Dronacharya, he gave lesson to Kauravas and Pandavas. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadev, Duryodhana, Dushasan and others. Then after a few days, Dronacharya called all his disciples, Kauravas and Pandavas. Then Dronacharya told, I will take test to you. How much do you learn archery from me? Then Dronacharya told, I already put one doll bird on the top of the tree. Doll bird. So you should be pointed and with your bow and arrows on the eyes of the bird. This is your target. That time all disciples told Gurudev, okay. But when I will tell 1, 2, 3, then you shoot and pointed the eyes of the bird. Understand? Now put it there. Then first Dronacharya gave his bow and arrow in the hand of Yudhishthira. In this Lila, Yudhishthira first, because Yudhishthira is the senior most. Okay, Yudhishthira, but listen, Yudhishthira, when I tell 1, 2, 3, then you pointed the eyes of the bird, then it will have. Then Yudhishthira take, okay. First I ask you, what are you looking? Because I am looking everything. What you are looking? Are you looking on the ground of your brothers, trees? Yes, Gurudev. And on the ground, all my brothers, I am looking. Duryodhana, Dushasan, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakul, and trees also there, everything else. Now looking the top of the branch of the tree? Yes, Gurudev. I am looking at the top of the branches. What you are looking? Gurudev, I am looking birds, eyes, everything else. I am looking top to bottom. Top to bottom, understand? Everything is. Up to down, everything is. What you are asking? That time Dronacharya told, okay, sit down. Well done, very nice. Nice, your answer, good, sit down. Yudhishthira Maharaj thinking, understand, oh, I am very nice. Gurudev told, sometimes very difficult to understand the language of Guru. He is thinking, oh, Guru is saying, very nice. Okay, very nice. Then asked to Bhim, are you take the bow and arrow. Are you looking? These things? What is the question? On the ground, trees, your brothers, and also the Bhim also showed, yes, I am looking, everything. Then give to hand of Duryodhan. Duryodhan also, what you are looking? Yes, Gurudev, I am looking to everyone. I am looking more also there. I also looking down on the sky, maybe stars are there also. Duryodhan is thinking, I will tell more. What is it saying? Yes, Gurudev, I am looking on the stars, they are. Not on the bird. Earth, yes, Gurudev, in the earth, even I look at the small ball ants. Which Yudhishthira Maharaj did not say. Duryodhan, he told more. Listen. Then Duryodhan, Dronacharya told, yes, nice. Your answer is very good, well done. Sit down. In this way, all the brothers of Duryodhan, it was same answer. Then finally, Dronacharya told Arjuna, take this bow and arrow. Arjuna, please take bow and arrow. When I tell 1, 2, 3, then you and point it on the eyes of the bird. Arjuna told, yes, Gurudev. Then they asked, what you are looking? The Gurudev, now I am looking only the eyes of the bird. Are you looking on the ground, your brothers? Well, no, Gurudev, I am not looking. I am not looking on the ground of my brothers. Are you looking the trees, leaves, branches? Are you looking? Arjuna told Gurudev, no, I am not looking in branches, trees. Are you looking up the sky? Maybe cloud or star, what you? Gurudev, nothing. What you are looking? Gurudev, just I am looking the people of the eyes of the bird. Now are you looking the birds also? No. I am not looking the birds also. What you are looking? Only the black point of the, that is called people of the eyes. On I am looking. You are looking at your brother? No, I am not looking. 1, 2, 3. Then Arjuna, he pointed. So what the teaching is this? This is the story. Yes. What is the teaching? Nishtha means this what? Completely one-pointed. When we discuss about Nishtha, steadiness, what kinds of steadiness is coming? This is called steadiness means how to one-pointed, as I feel pointed. So for this regard, our bhajan sadhan also going in this way. Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Tatpara Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha. Nishtha means steadiness. But this Nishtha, in the beginning Nishtha, sometimes two types of Nishtha. One is called Nishtita, another is called Anishtita Bhajan. Bhajan two types. One is called Nishtita Bhajan, another is called Anishtita Bhajan. Steadiness and unsteadiness bhajan. Unsteadiness bhajana kriya, again also, how many types? 6 types. What is that? Could you remember now? Already, every year I am speaking, you are forgetting. What is that? Who knows? You? Achyuta Priya. Forget. Every year I am saying. Utsahamani, enthusiastic coming. First is Anishtata Bhajana, unstirne Bhajana Kriya, and 6 stages. First is called Utsahamai. Utsahamai means enthusiastic. In the beginning, so much enthusiastic. I will serve these things. I will chant every day 64 rounds. I will cooking. I will do this. Every day, all service I will do. Understand? So much enthusiastic. Understand? This is the most of the unified devotees. These types of their activities. As like if you go to school, then first day lesson very easily can do. What the first day lesson? Right? A, B, C, D. Very easy to write. A, B, C. First day lesson. That time teacher gives what is called prize. And yes. And he returned back from school and he's saying to everybody, no, I learned for first day. Gurudev, teacher gave me so many blessings to me. Yes. The next day, teacher giving another lesson. What is that? A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. Done. A for apple. Also, this is very easy to learn. Just easily. A for apple, B for ball, C for dog, C for cat, D for dog. Then teacher, yes, nice. So much enthusiastic. Then third lesson coming. Third day. Okay. Now you make the sentence. Understand? How to do it? A little bit difficult. Understand? He goes, he went. Tense difference. Difficult to memorize. He goes, we go. Oh my God. Why? He goes, I go, or they go. Why? Go, but he goes, or I go, and they go. So why, when he use this word he, written is what? Goes. Why? That time his mind very disturbed, very difficult to understand. That time he cannot remember and forget. Sometimes he go, then he go. That time and they go. Then in school, no, I don't want to do school. It's too much for me. Then in Utsav is what? Automatically going down. In the same way, sadhaka, first is so much enthusiastic. I will do serve everything. And beyond of my capacity, I will do everything. So much. That is first, that is called Utsaham. Or second, when it is very difficult to solve everything, that time is Utsaha, enthusiastic, automatically what? Going down. Sometimes laziness coming, sometimes mind disturbed. Chanting holy names. Before chanting how many rounds? 64. Now very difficult to chant 16th rounds. Sometimes 1 round, sometimes 2 rounds, sometimes 0 round also. So Utsaha, this is called. That is called. But Utsaha means Ghana Tarala. Understand? Anishtara bhajan is Ghanatarla. Ghanatarla means thick and thin. Sometimes his bhajan going a little bit up, or sometimes his bhajan going to down. That is called Ghanatarla. Eh? I listen to Harikatha, and where is he? Where Govindapuri? Disappear. And sleeping 10 hours. Eh? Gurudev, 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 I will listen to Harikatha. Then sleeping. Harikatha. And Utsamahi Ganapati. Then Buddha Vikalpa, third stage. What is the Buddha Vikalpa? That is called indecision stage. What did he say? Indecision stage. He cannot take decision his life, which ashram stay and do bhajan and sadhana. Brahmachari life or grihastha life. Very difficult. Understand? That is called indecision stage. Indecision stage. Sometimes thinking, oh, I will marry and enter my household life and do bhajan and sadhana. Sometimes, no, married life is very, very dangerous. Married life dangerous or not? Very dangerous. Understand? Too much headache. Always problem. What problem? Husband problem, wife problem, son problem, children problem, house problem. All problems will come. Come or not? All problems will come. Sometimes thinking, no, I will not marry. I will be Nastik Brahmachari. Celebration my life. Then sometimes about net thinking, oh, very difficult for me. So in this way, sometimes he is thinking, I will enter my household life. Sometimes he is thinking, I will do Brahmachari life. This is called the indecision stage. That is called Buddha Vikalpa. Buddha Vikalpa. Buddha Vikalpa, the Sanskrit. You cannot take decision and what will do? How do bhajan and sadhana? This day. Yesterday, how many hours you were sleeping? 10 hours, 15 hours. Came Harikatha or not? Sleeping. Sleeping. Where is Tulasi? Sleeping. Then, third, Utsamahi, Ghanatarala, Buddha Vikalpa, then Niyamakshama. Niyamakshama means unable to maintain all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. That is called Niyama Aksham Niyamakshama. Sometimes he takes vow, from today I will chant holy name 64 rounds, do worship Thakurji, do. But sometimes sickness coming, fever or quick. That time very difficult to maintain all his maintain all the rules which he did vow. That is called Niyama Aksham. Niyama Aksham. Fifth, Niyama Aksham, then what do you call? Vishaya Sanghara. Vishaya Sanghara means struggling to enjoying the many kinds of material sense gratifications. That is called Vishaya Sanghara. Sanghara means sanghars, struggling. Sometimes he's thinking, from today, I will follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. Understand? What are the rules and regulations? Okay, from today I will not enjoy any kinds of material sensations. I will not watch TV. Eh? I will not talk to any mundane things to anyone. Understand? Asadvarta Visamuti Sarvasvarini Katha Mukti Vagbhara Sarvatma Gilini Opi Tattva Lakshmipati Bhumnani Braji Radha Krishna Sarati Munidu Sujali Ramani. Raghunath Das Goswami explained, the mundane talk is as like persistent lady. So the Asadvarta Visamuti Sarvasvarini. So from today I will not talk to any mundane talk. From today, I will follow all the rules. What are the sufferings? Okay, this is Chaturmasya. 4 months, we have to follow some rules. Understand? You take not this, this. But sometimes it is difficult to follow the rules. Understand? When you are alone, it is difficult to follow the rules. So that time you broke the bhav. So this is called Vishaya Sangara. Sometimes his mind is thinking, I will never enjoy any. Sometimes thinking how to control my mind. And I will not take ice cream. Understand? Then, okay, I will not take ice cream. But when distribute the ice cream, first you think I will take or not take or take or not take. Huh? Hardest time. Very difficult. They don't take ice cream. 2 things Western devotee they like. What is that? Ice cream and chocolate. And but 2 things is prohibited. Ice cream and chocolate, not good. But they are habits. They are habits or not? But say, no. Or sometimes you think, oh no. So that is called your Vishaya Sangara, mind also struggling. I will take, I will not take. I will take chocolate, I will not. I will ask him take or not. Mind is like this. Understand? Then 4, 6, that is called Vishaya Sangara. Then Tarangarangini. Tarangarangini means dancing on the waves of name, fame and reputation. And if anybody glorify to me, that I'm very proud. So that time mind you dancing on the waves of name, fame and reputation. And become very popped. So now just the Anishtita bhajan, first Anishtita, unsteadiness bhajana, there are the 6 stages. I remember. But nobody is translating. Who is translating? What did I say? You remember?
Então, eu perguntei para a Gurudeva que lá em São Paulo...
Okay, okay. I go to upstairs. You tell to them. No, you will be translated in English to Portuguese. All you are not understand. You understand? What do you understand?
She said she didn't get the whole story.
She did not understand the whole story of...
Você não chegou aqui no começo? Yeah, he did it. She just think she didn't understand everything. But she was here, she understands everything.
Okay, you tell. I will tell the story. What did I say? Actual Nishtita means Nishtha means steadiness. When steadiness will come, then 1.8. 1.8 your bhajan and sadhan, 1.8 your Nishtas to Sadguru and Krishna. That is called nishtha. So two kinds of nishtha, one called steadiness, one is called unsteadiness. Nishtita bhajan, one is called anishtita bhajan. So anishtha bhajan, I also explained there are 6 types of anishtita bhajan, unsteadiness bhajan kriya. Then nishtha one-pointed. And because when you one-pointed bhajan and sadhan, then you would develop your spiritual life. Because if you nishtha hoite upajoy, premera taranga, then nishtha more mature, that is called ruchi. Ruchi means taste will come. Then ruchi mature, then will come asakti, deep attachment with Guru and Krishna, Ishtadev. After asakti, then you will come in the stage of bhavadasha, then bhavadasha to premadasha. This is the stages. Okay? If you not understand these things, if I tell how Srimati Radhika, she served to Krishna with her Santaras. Because Santaras qualification, what is the qualification of Santaras? Nishtha. But no seva vritti and no mamata. Santaras, but no nishtha is there. And nishtha means one-pointed with his Ishtadeva. But no servitual mood and no possessiveness, mamata. So now question is coming, so how Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna with her Santaras? This is the question. Because I told, Santaras has only one qualification, that is called nishtha, steadiness. But no mamata and no seva vritti. Seva vritti will come when your mamata and samandha. This is the main thing. Understand?
In the beginning we are doing some service. It's not seva.
Huh?
In the beginning, in these stages, in the beginning, the sadhaka is doing some seva. This is seva vritti or this is another?
This is seva. But this is seva in the unified devotee, that is called the sukriti, creates the sukriti. What we are doing, that is create the sukriti.
It's not the seva vritti with mamata, it's another thing.
Mamata not coming. Mamata coming in the stage of nishtha. Understand? Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, then nishtha. And then mamata will come. And understand? Madhurya Gadamani Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained this. In the beginning, whatever unified devotee is doing, that service is called Sukriti. What you are doing? This is not ordinary thing. Kurmi Gyanis, they are going the other way, but devotees just, this is also very. Nihabhi kramana asuti pratyavana vidyate salpamopi asa dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Bhagavad Gita also. Bhakti marg, very easy and simple. If you one day clean the temple, that is reserved for your whole life. Reserved, man. This Sukriti is reserved for your whole life. Because bhakti will never destroy. Understand? And the Lord will accept your service also. Indian old temple. All the paint completely white from coming out. Indian old temple. No one, many years, no one paint the temple. Understand? Indian people sometimes they are chewing the betel nuts. in between a pan. And they put one kind of white lemon. What is called lime, white lime. And it mixed with the pan and chili. So that person, one person, he came in that old temple. He was chewing the betel. And he mixed the lime, white lime. The rest of lime in his hand, finger, just he put on the wall. Krishna is thinking, oh, he is painting my temple. Just as maybe little part he painted or not.
Yes.
Our conception another, but Lord conception. This is also Sukriti. His aim and object not to paint the wall, but the rest of his line he put in here. The Krishna is thinking, Lord is thinking, oh, he is painting. He is painting my wall, temple. This is service also. This is called unknowingly. What you are doing, anything for Krishna, knowingly or unknowingly. Knowingly you do, that is also very good. Even the unknowingly if you do that service to Lord or temple, Krishna accept. Understand? Huh? Bhagavad Seva, Vaishnava Seva, Mandir Seva, which are related with Lord Vishnu, all service very important. Lord accept all your service. You don't think, oh, I am doing this useless. You cannot say this word. One day you clean the temple, Lord accept. And also written your name in his, what is called? A register. For this person is served with mamata, without mamata. Anyhow you serve to Lord. Anyhow you serve to temple. Anyhow you serve to Guru and Vishnu. Everything is yours, reserved for your whole life. Whole life means is yours. This is going to your soul, Atma. Life after life, but going this way. But this is actually, what is that service? That is, in the beginning, that is creating your Sukriti. Understand? Just I told. That line, white line, we put in here. He is not painting. He is thinking just, he is not thinking, just thinking inner people. If you go to the temple, some also people also chewing the betel nut and throw. What is called split. Even Lord accept. Okay, no problem. I accept this service. Because Lord is very merciful. That means I am not saying you also split in the temple. This is knowingly with this offense. Unknowingly what you will doing, Lord will accept everything. One mouse, just he caught the give it. And then burn. Then that mouse rolling in front of the Thakurji and left him. Then Thakurji, oh, he is doing my arati. Then mouse left body, then mouse soul entered in the body of princess. That means mouse body to going to princess body. And continuously also doing arati to Thakurji. This is your Sukriti. When is with this Sukriti, then she got the association of sadhu. Or with the association of sadhu, then Bhakti Devi manifest. Bhaktistu bhagavakta sangeno purijayate satsanga prapate punvi sukriti purva sanchite. In this way, not one life, many lives. What you are doing for Guru, Krishna, Vaishnava, that is Sukriti. And that Sukriti is very powerful. And that Sukriti then bring to sadhu sangha. Or with that sadhu, then Bhakti Devi will manifest in your heart. Bhakti comes from the association of sadhu. Bhakti sanjati bhakta. Bhakti comes with the association of sadhu sangha. So sadhu sangha, sarva shastrikaya, navamatra sadhu sangha, sarva siddhi. So you cannot say, oh, I am doing this hard work, this is useless. You cannot use this word. And maybe you are saying, this is maybe your, what is called? Lamentation. Or humility. But Lord accept everything. Or even what you will say, even our Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, even you sleep on the floor of temple, Thakur is saying he is doing my pranam. And look this. One person sleeping. We are thinking, hey, why you are sleeping? Hey, wake up, jeev jago. Our Lord is saying, he is no. He is doing pranam to me. So that means I am not saying, we will not service or sleep. Whole day Dandavat pranam. Huh? How many hours? Govinda Priya. Dandavat pranam. Lord accept your Dandavat pranam. And if you sleep 10 hours, oh, and one sadhu only doing pranam, only maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, or Govinda Priya, she is doing pranam, how many hours? 10 hours. Our conception, Lord's conception, different. This is true. But this is very Sukrit. One person sleeping on the road or one person sleeping in the temple, different. And one person eating food on the road or one person taking prasad in the temple, difference. But what is the difference? You cannot understand. Our mundane conception or Bhagavad Lord conception, difference also. Just I told, one person sleeping on the road, that is not Dandavat Pranam. Or one who is sleeping in the temple, that is a Dandavat Pranam. Lord accept you. Because Lord is very merciful. So that means don't you think, okay, I do 10 hours Dandavat Pranam to Thakurji. No servicing, nothing. This is another offense will come. Knowingly if you do this, there will be offense. Understand? Bhagavan, he looks all our things. Whose heart is what? Broad-minded. Lord is looking this way. So just like also coming back, in this way our many kinds of sukriti will mature and accumulated. And then we'll get association sadhu. Association sadhu means is what? Then so much eagerness will come to listen Hari Katha. And then you are not coming here. You are thinking, I have come. Actually, no. And Lord brings to here because you are sukriti. And you are thinking, I have come here. Actually, you did not come. Krishna inspired in your heart. For this regard, you have come. Why? He came yesterday. How? Krishna inspired. You are thinking, I have come here. Actually, this is not true. Our conception, Lord's conception, always is different. And what you will be doing, anything for Guru, Vaishnava, one, that is called bhakti. Understand? For this regard, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad, he explained in Bhakti Sandarbha and Priti Sandarbha. Jakriya kriyate mune. हरि लौकिकी वैदिकी बापी जाक्रिया क्रियते मुने हरि सेवानुकूलन सा भक्तिरम इच्छता. Lokiki Vaidiki. Lokiki means worldly. Vaidiki means according to the rules and regulation of Vedas. So Lokiki Vaidiki Bhavi. Jakriya Kriyate. What you are doing for Guru Krishna Bhagavan. That is called bhakti. One flowers you offer to Krishna. Krishna accept your heart. Look this. We are thinking we are giving flowers, but Lord is thinking no, He is giving His heart. Look this. Who is higher person? He is also high thinking. Or who is lower person? He is low thinking. Lord is what? Highest. For this regard, his thinking is what? Very highest. Yudhishthira Maharaj, he gives love and affection to everybody. Even he gives love to Duryodhana. But Duryodhana, he did not give love, affection to Yudhishthira Maharaj. This is true. Duryodhana, he did not give love and affection to Yudhishthira Maharaj. But Yudhishthira Maharaj, he gives love and affection to Duryodhana. How? Yudhishthira Maharaj, he will never call to Duryodhana. These words are not using. He saw Sujodhana. Duryodhana means he is a stupid nonsense person. For this regard in India, never you see any person's name Duryodhana. Duryodhana is only one. Duryodhana Dushasan, you never get name of India any person. Only one Duryodhana. Understand? If you maybe not understand, Indian culture is there, giving their name, but they are the thinking. If you go India, many people name, male name Yudhishthira, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev. But you cannot find out any person's name. What is his name? Duryodhana or Dushasan. You cannot get it. Understand? When you go India, ask, well, have you son's name Duryodhana? If I could you give son's name Duryodhana? They will be right, stupid. No one. So Duryodhana means is what? Who is low-minded and very stupid nonsense. But Yudhishthira Maharaj, he did not utter to him Duryodhana. What did he utter? Sujodhana. Sujodhana means is what? Who is very gentle. Opposite one. Duryodhana means stupid nonsense. And Sujodhana means gentleman. Sujodhana. Duryodhana or Sujan. Sajjan, Sujan, Sajjan, gentleman. Sajjan Sevak Brahmachari. But you never get the name Duryodhana Sevak Brahmachari. Understand? But Yudhishthira Maharaj. Because some people, their mind is what? As like demonic mind. Without reason, they are thinking, oh, he is my enemy. Understand? And looking others' fault without reason. So, why I am saying? Because this is called in this end. Our conception, who is higher person, then his conception always higher. And who is low grade, what is called low graded person, his mind is always low. And love is this, he gives love. So Lord is very merciful. For this Lord, actually, he is not taking our any offense. Alpo aparad Bhagavan nalai kahar. Chaitanya Bhagavat. Vrindavan Das Thakur also explained. alpa aparad. If you little bit offense, Lord will not take your offenses. Just to give an example. You splitting in the temple. This is offense or not? Eh? Understand? Indian people, they are chewing, then going, and the temple, and one corner. This is offense. But Lord is not taking offense. Eh? Lord think, oh, he is innocent person, stupid person. Eh? What you say, even Yudhishthira Maharaj? Yudhishthira Maharaj, he never complained. The Duryodhana is offenders. Eh? Actual Duryodhana offenders or not? Eh? Offenders. He put the fire in their house. Eh? Duryodhana, he put the fire in the house of Pandavas. Duryodhana, he tried to kill Bhima, put the poison in the food of Bhima. Duryodhana tried to naked to Draupadi. This is offense, opera. But Yudhishthira Maharaj never complained. For this name is called Yudhishthira. Understand? We cannot become Yudhishthira. Impossible. But Yudhishthira Maharaj is out. It's because perfect example. Srimad Bhagavatam Sukadeva Goswami Pad told. Who is called sadhu? How will we sadhu? We have five qualifications. What is that? Titikkava Karunika Suhida Sarvadevina Ajato Satrava, or another river. I told there. Titikkava. Titikkava means tolerance. And tolerance. Titikkava. Karunika. So much compassion. With all the living. Titikkava Karunika. Titikkava Karunika Suhida Sarvadehinam. Suhida Sarvadehina means he makes friendship to everybody. Understand? Even he makes the friendship those who are against. He also makes friendship. We cannot do this. Who? Yudhishthira Maharaj. These all example, this 6 qualification of sadhu, only Yudhishthira Maharaj. Duryodhana put fire in their house, tried to kill to them, also what is called, kidnap all their property, everything. But still, Yudhishthira Maharaj, he never told Duryodhana is my enemy. But Duryodhana, or you think Yudhishthira is my enemy. Look, opposite way. You understand English or not? And so when we discuss this sadhu, sadhuna, bhushanam, sadhu, sadhunam, bhushanam. And so Sukadeva Goswami Pad explained this. For this regard, Srimad Bhagavatam Sukadeva Goswami Pad told, and 3 Haridasa. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told in Bhagavad 3 Haridasas, not 4 Haridasas. The servant of Lord Sri Hari. Who is that? Yudhishthira Maharaj. His name is there, not your name, not my name. Not my name, not your name also. But Srimad Bhagavatam, whose name? Haridas. Yudhishthira Maharaj. A second, whose name? Giriraj Maharaj. Bolo Giriraj Maharaj. Not your name, not my name also. Still, not coming. Now third, whose name Haridasa Varjo? Srimati Radhika. Not Srimati Radhika. Uddhava. No, I forget. I sequence I will. First, Uddhav. His name is Haridasa. Second, first Yudhishthira Maharaj. Second, Uddhava. Or third, Giriraj. Giriraj is called Haridaso Varjo. That means topmost Haridas. Super excellent Haridas. So Srimad Bhagavatam, is the Haridas. Our name is not there. No any other's name. 3 Haridasa. Understand? Yudhishthira Maharaj, Uddhava, then Giriraj Maharaj. Why? For this reason. How they serve. Shivade Hantayo Udriya Vala Haridaso Varjo. Haridaso Varjo. Varjo means Shrestha, topmost Haridas. Topmost Haridas. Who is topmost Haridas? Giriraj Govardhan. Why? Because Giriraj Govardhan, he serves to Krishna and Brajavasi with his body, mind, speech, everything. No one can serve to Krishna as like Giriraj Govardhan. So particularly Srimati Radhika Sri quoted this verse. Antaya Adriya Bala Haridaso Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Pramodam Manang Tanati Sahagopagonai Paniya Sujavasha Kandara Kandamulai. Srimati Radhika, Benedict. Glorify about Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika herself. Glorify about Giriraj Govardhan. Our Vishwanath Chakravarti Giriraj Govardhan was to come. Raghunath Das Goswami Giriraj Govardhan. And everybody have to read. What is this sloka? Krishna Prasadina Samasta Sailai. Understand? Giriraj Govardhan, he serves with his body, mind, spirit. Madhurja Bhavi. Yudhishthira Maharaj, he serves seva to Krishna with his Dasa Bhav. Mainly Dasa. Or Uddhav, he serves to Krishna with Dasa Mishri Sakha Bhav. Or Giriraj Govardhan, he serves to Krishna with his conjugal mood, beloved mood. Very nice. For this regard, Srimati Radhika Sri quoted these verses. Antayo Adriya Vala Haridaso Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda Manang Tanati Sahagopagane Paniya Sujavasa Kandra Kandamule. Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Giriraj Govardhan, any method, you cannot enter in Shuddha Bhakti. Vishwanath Giriraj Govardhan, topmost servant, seva. And his name is in list. Understand? Seva, Sarvattam Seva. Sarvattam means topmost servant. Tell Srimati Radhika, see, this is her humility, Daina. Who can compare service served to Krishna with Srimati Radhika? Srimati Radhika service, but this is her humility. She is thinking, oh, Giriraj Govardhan, how does he serve for beloved Krishna? But you type Giriraj Govardhan, without taking shelter, lotus feet of Mahata, you cannot enter in bhakti. Mahate kripa bina kuno karme bhakti nahi, Krishna bhakti dure rahu, sansar nahi kha. Without receiving the mercy of Mahat, sadhu, Shuddha Bhakta, what will to enter in bhakti? Even your samsara dasa. Samsara dasa means enjoying the material sense gratification. This concept will never finish. Vishaya Vasana, and enjoying the material satisfaction. How to remove from your heart? When you receive the mercy of Mahat, Mahate Kripa Vina Kuno Karme Bhakti Nai, Krishna Bhakti Dure Rahu, Sansar Nahi. So our aim and object, how to receive the mercy of Giriraj Govardhan. One day we will do Giriraj Puja. Giriraj Parikrama. This is very important. Bolo Giriraj Maharaj. But how to prepare Giriraj Parikrama? Which date? Okay, I will think. Yeah. Everybody do Giriraj Parikrama. Or no translator.
What should be our mood when we are serving? Should we think that we are collecting Sukriti, or should we try to impose that we have some mantra?
Sukriti coming, then automatically yours manifest in your heart everything. Sukriti is going always with you. And also impose mamata. Though mamata not coming, but imposing. Imposing, understand? Arup. Bhakti is first stage, that is called Arup Siddha Bhakti. Then Sangha Siddha, then Sarva Siddha. But Sukriti matured, then automatically spontaneous, Krishna will arrange for everything for you. Understand? Then mamata will come. Ananna mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. Ananna mamata. Ananna means 1.8 position towards Guru and Krishna. This is called Ananna mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. That is called prema. This is the definition of love. Ananna mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. Uddhava, Narada. This is this is first is Ananna mamata. Ananna means one from mamata is come. First you always think how to get Sukriti. Sukriti mature, then automatically do it. Understand? And Krishna will arrange for you. Mouse, and he did not know anything. Just he took the ghee lamps and rolled it. Thakurji accept or not? Then took birth in where? High class, rich family. Bhagavad Gita Krishna says also this. Suchinang simatangi yoga vrashto vijayate. Here yoga vrashto means bhakti yoga, not others yoga. Bhakti yoga. If you practice bhakti, but if you not attain your perfection before you give up this body, then Krishna will arrange how to take birth in high class, rich family. And Krishna will arrange everything. Many people also taking birth in the rich family, but they have no Sukriti. For this regard, they are not doing bhajan and sadhana. Understand? Many rich person, they have a lot of wealth of money. Just they are enjoying sense gratification. Why not they are practicing bhakti? Because they have no Sukriti. But here, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, one who little bit practice bhakti, and before give up his body, then I will arrange everything for him. And when he give up his body, then I will give birth in where? High class? And which family? Bhakta family. Rich Bhakta family. Not poor Bhakta family. Because if I take birth, Krishna thinking, if I take birth in the poor family, very difficult to find out where the incense, So for this regard, Krishna, no. He has to Suchinang Srimotang Ge. Means a Pavitra Griya, rich family. Pavitra Krishna. If you buy from the market, then offer to Krishna. Offer Guru and Krishna, then take prasad. Understand? Huh? Good. Understand?
In that story about Arjuna and the eye,
Huh?
the eye of the bird, well, in our spiritual life, what is the significance?
Significant is Nishtha. How do our bhajan Nishtha, Nam Nishtha? Nishtha is Nishtha. Bhajan Nishtha. Bhajan Nishtha means every day you serve, specific serve Guru and Vaishnava. That is called bhajan Nishtha. Nama Nishtha. Nama Nishtha means every day you have to chant fixed round holy names. That is called Nama Nishtha. Understand? Gayatri Nishtha, Mantra Nishtha, many types of Nishtha. Sometimes chanting Gayatri Mantra, sometimes not chanting Gayatri. This is not. Every day you have to chant Gayatri Mantra. Some devotees are not chanting Gayatri Mantra every day. Some devotees go, I forget. Sravan Nishtha. Every day you have to listen Hari Katha. That is called Sravan Nishtha. Nishtha using this word. Sravan Nishtha, Seva Nishtha. Every day is Nishtha means steady, without breaking. Prasad Nishtha. Every day you have to eat Mahaprasad. Not eat Mahaprasad, right? Honor. Vaishnava language is different. Don't chant holy names. What will you do? Serve holy names. Nam Seva. Generally we are saying chant holy names. Then saying don't chant holy names. What will you do? Serve holy names. Nam Seva. Seva word. Vaishnava language is very sweet. Understand? We are saying don't eat prasad. What is the word? Prasad Seva. Prasad Seva korite hoy. Sakala prapancha joy. Prasad Seva. Not saying the prasad eat. What do you say? Prasad Seva. Vaishnava was always Seva, service. Honori. To give honor. Prasad Seva. So Prasad Seva korite hoy. Sakala prapancha joy. Suddha Bhakata Charana Renu Bhajana Anukula Bhakata Seva Parama Siddhi Premloti Karamula Bhakata Seva. Vaishnava language always Seva, service. Nam Seva, Prasad Seva. In the same way Nishtha, Nama Nishtha, Seva Nishtha, Gayatri Mantra Nishtha. Chant Gayatri Mantra with Nishtha. Nishtha means steadiness, without breaking. Understand? First you understand this, then I will tell how Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna with her Santaras. If you not understand ABCD, so how possible I tell Santaras? Understand? First you know this. 2 minutes, you remember then? Then I will tell you, otherwise you cannot understand anything. Chant holy name. Going fast. Which of the